Hi guys, I'm back in the warehouse today with a new shipment of plants, and I wanted to walk you through all of the new varieties we have on the site. Alright, so first up is this 4-inch Stromanthe Triostar. We had the 6-inch in stock, now we have the 4-inch. These guys like to be kept a little bit on the moist side, so water them weekly and don't let them completely dry out. You can keep them in medium to high light. Similar care with these Stromanthe Beauty Stars with the really pretty variegation here on these leaves. Same deal, don't let them dry out and keep them in medium to high light. We also have a few more Peperomia Greens in stock. And then a restock of our 4-inch Pothos Pearls in Jade. These will have nice long vines after a while. Super easy to care for. They can tolerate low light if you need them to. I try to keep mine in medium light and then water it weekly. And then some new Hoyas. Here's a Hoya Pubicalyx with speckles on the leaves. These can take medium to high light and water them weekly. You can also train those tendrils to go up a trellis or keep it as a vining plant. We have a restock of our 4-inch ZZ plants. These are regular ZZ plants, great for beginners. They tolerate low light and low water. Onto our 6-inch Hoya Tricolor. So they have green, a creamy white, and pink variegation on the leaves. These will take the same care as the Hoya Pubicalyx. Moving on over to this upright philodendron called Philodendron Moonlight. So it's won't be a vining plant, but it will take similar care. It can tolerate medium light and water it weekly. Then we have these Pothos Jade in 4-inch pots. Really easy to care for. They tolerate low light and need to be watered weekly, and they'll have nice long vines after a while as well. Then we have a new ZZ. This is a ZZ Zenzi, a cousin of the regular ZZ. It's the same easy to care for plant, but it just has shorter, kind of stockier leaf structure. Here, I'll grab another one to show you guys the two compared side by side in case you want to see them both. So on the left is the Zenzi, and on the right is the regular ZZ. So similar size, but just closer together, like shiny, stocky, bent leaves compared to the sort of more classic leaves of the regular ZZ. Here is a 4-inch Hoya Jade with the same care as the other Hoyas and those same long tendrils as the Hoya Pubicalyx that you can train up a trellis or leave as vines. And then here are the Hoya Hindu ropes in 4-inch pots. Same care as the other Hoyas. They have these really interesting crinkled vines that will kind of come up like this is a slightly bigger one, and then they'll sort of spill over the edge of the pot and really have this wonderful vining structure. And those are all of the new plants for this week. If you guys are interested in shopping, please check out the link below. Thanks.